The fully automatic washing machine, laundry machine cabinet production line, developed by CSP, is a state-of-the-art manufacturing solution designed to revolutionize the production of washing machine cabinets. This advanced production line integrates cutting-edge robotic automation to deliver unmatched precision, efficiency, and quality in the fabrication of washing machine cabinets, a critical component of modern laundry appliances. The production line utilizes high-performance industrial robots for tasks such as material handling, welding, assembly, and finishing. This minimizes manual labor, reduces errors, and ensures consistent product quality. Equipped with advanced machinery and precision tools, the production line guarantees accurate fabrication of washing machine cabinets, meeting strict industry standards and customer specifications. The system is designed to handle a wide range of cabinet sizes, designs, and materials, making it adaptable to diverse market demands and customer requirements. CSP's fully automatic washing machine cabinet production line with robots is a game-changing solution for manufacturers seeking to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain a competitive edge in the home appliance industry. By leveraging robotic automation and innovative technologies, CSP delivers a reliable, scalable, and future-proof manufacturing system. If you have similar needs, welcome to contact us anytime.